In this video, I'm going to talk about the comments in Python. So let me start a new file. There's the comments. So comments are some statements. They are some kind of string value which you can add after the statement, after the code that you have written. So it is going to explain the code, that what actually the code is performing. So in order to include a comment, suppose I'm writing statement as print hello world. So it's like whenever you are adding any single line comment, so you have to use hashtag symbol for that, so it represents a single line comment. If you have more than one lines, suppose there are many print statements like welcome, and we have other print statements, suppose how are you. So when you have many number of lines and you want them to make as a comment, so select all the statements and use the shortcut as control and forward slash. So using control and forward slash, we can give a multi-line comment, and we can also use the triple quotes in order to use the multi-line comment. So we can also use the triple quotes, fine, to include anything inside the comment. So this is a multi-line comment. So I'll be writing it in the multi-lines, like multi-line comment, fine. So yeah, this is the way how you can use comment in Python.